Okay, so first we have to compute g minus f, and g minus f is simply just the difference between g and f. So it's g of x minus f of x, and g is x squared minus 49, and then f is 4x plus 28, but when you put a minus, then you're doing the opposite of f, which will be negative 4x, negative 28, and then you combine like terms, which will be negative 49, negative 28 is negative 77. So that's this function. Now we're going to compute the domain as well, I guess. So this is, so we put here x squared minus 4x minus 77, and the domain in G and are both all real numbers. Both domains are all real numbers, so therefore the domain of the difference is always real numbers, because the domain of f minus g minus f, g plus f, g times f, this is all going to be the intersection of domain of both functions, but both functions are all real numbers, so therefore the domain of g minus f is all real numbers. Now let's do the division. So for the division for f over g, this is just f of x over g of x, and the f is 4x plus 28 divided by x squared minus 49. And to simplify this expression, so we can just factor 4, because it says also simplify the expression. So I will just do x plus 7 if I factor 4. And this is the difference of squares. So the bottom one is factorized as x minus 7, x plus 7. And you can cancel out this. So we can put here 4 over x minus 7. Now let's look at the domain. Because this is a rational function, so I'm going to have to delete 7 and negative 7, because 7 and negative 7 makes the bottom 0. So I'm going to have to delete negative 7 and 7 from the real line, which negative 7 is here, so I delete it. Positive 7 is here, I delete it. So I'll take this, and then I'll take this. So then the domain of this one will be negative infinity to negative 7, union negative 7, 7, union 7 to infinity. That will be the domain of f divided by g. Yeah, even though I cancel this out, but still it makes the bottom 0, so it needs to be deleted. So that's why I delete whatever makes the bottom 0, and two numbers makes the bottom 0, which is 7 and negative 7. So basically that's it.